Welcome to this demonstration of the Rakuten Aquafadas solution to create apps and engaging mobile content without coding. Rakuten Aquafadas provides a complete solution to create apps, manage them, and fill them with rich content. Let me give you a quick overview of what you can do with Rakuten Aquafadas in 3 steps. Step 1. Rakuten Aquafadas lets you design your app by simply using drag and drop. For example, you can structure your app storefront by choosing a video banner, an HTML5 web component to display your latest news, or a slideshow to promote your next events, for instance. And we have much more available as well. Step 2. Now you can add engaging content inside your app to create beautiful mobile experiences. Choose from a wide range of tools from InDesign plugin to a PDF conversion tool, an HTML5 editor, as well as an automated transformation process. You can also ingest PowerPoint native files now and convert them to responsive web content. Step 3. Thanks to the Rakuten ecosystem, you can now also enhance your apps with innovative digital services to boost performance of your business. Pick and mix with collaborative workspaces from CafeX, traffic drivers from Rakuten Analytics, public chat, group chat from Viber, or loyalty program from Rakuten Superpoints. Thanks to the Rakuten Aquafadas low-code app development platform, you can take benefit from both tech and business innovation. Regarding technical development, you can reduce app creation cost by 88% and reduce time to market by 75%. To develop your business, you can benefit from a vast range of Rakuten innovative services like loyalty program, analytics, big data, public chat, and much more. Let's see now how it works. First of all, you start designing your app through our online tool Cloud Connect. You'll be able to create this way multi-platform apps for iOS, Android, and websites. On the left-hand side, you can see an iPhone with a Rakuten Aquafadas public app, and we are able to edit it. On the right-hand side is Cloud Connect, an online tool to design and manage your app. First, we open the Rakuten Aquafadas app project, and now we can see the storefront app editor with all the various widgets available on the right side. We drag and drop a video banner, for instance, in the middle of the storefront. We adjust the parameters for this new video banner, like for instance the autoplay option. We adjust the size of the banner for the different mobile ratios, and we save it, and the app will be updated in real time on the left side. Because this is content cached in memory for mobile devices, we have to close it and reopen it. But this is available to all users launching the app from now. If we relaunch the app, a video will appear at the top. So designing your app is as simple as that. No code, no development skills required. Now our app is ready. We can fill it with engaging content. How can we do this part? We have different tools depending on the skills and resources available in your company. First of all, you could use our brand new HTML5 editor, an easy-to-use editor like a blog editor interface. Your document will be composed out of several articles or sections. Then you create an article like you see on the right side, and you will see the live preview appearing on the left pane progressively. You can add components like pictures, but also videos, web views, and you can add metadata. You can position it the way you want. All these components can be moved along to structure your article the way you want. You can include hyperlinks, anchors, jumps to a specific place of your content, and finally publish it, like in this case to a website. You can browse and navigate through the content, but you can also use the hyperlinks you created, the enrichments you see. When you reduce the size or ratio or orientation, or use it on a mobile device, you can watch and consume the same content, whatever device you're using, because this is pure responsive content. So it will adapt automatically to the size, ratio, and orientation of your screen, and can be published not only to a native app but a website. But that's one of the tools you can use to create digital content with Aquafada solution. Now let's see how you can decide to enrich your legacy PDF documents with Cloud Offering. First of all, you sign in to Cloud Offering, you upload your PDF document, and then you can decide or not to enrich it. So you can see if the document is getting processed. You see the monitoring page, you don't need to go to that page. But if you want to enrich it, you have access to the enrichment tools for PDF content, like you see on this interface. In that case, I'm gonna just simply add a video box on top of this square box. I can embed the video or add a video link, which will stream in that case the video within the box, and you need to be connected in that case. If you embed it, the file will be bigger, but will be available offline as well. Then you can export it to a web reader export, for instance, ready to be published on your website. And you can consume it with our brand new web reader that you see on the screen now, which can go full screen. You can move along the pages, you have different navigation tools, you can see the video enrichment, now part of it, and much more is available. This is a responsive web reader. You can adapt and integrate it to any website you want. But the same content can get published as well to the native and mobile app, like in that case in our demonstration app. So you can see the PDF pages, the video enrichments appears as well. I can switch the orientation as well and watch it in landscape mode. Come back to the text content, double tap on any text box and access the guided reading feature, which is automated and automatically detecting all the text, helping the user to navigate through the content from left to right instead of pinching to zoom in, zoom out all the time and swiping all the time from page to page. So very efficient feature. We also provide a plugin for Adobe InDesign to help you create very haute couture content for mobile devices and websites. It allows graphic designers to create pixel-perfect rich layouts for mobile devices as well as websites from scratch, providing interactive and attractive content. Let me show you how it works. On the left-hand side, you can see an example of enriched content created with our InDesign plugin. First of all, we open our app again, and we will look at another content which has been created with the Adobe InDesign plugin. So I'm reading the content. Before you read, you download it for sure so that it will be available offline. Then I can see this content which has been designed especially for smartphone usage. You can see now the Adobe InDesign window on the right side, our palettes which have been installed within Adobe InDesign. You can see that it's fully respecting the themes, color schemes of Adobe InDesign, and fully integrated to your desktop publishing favorite tool. Now you can add a video source, for instance, tick some of the options like autoplay, loop options, and finally save it and publish it. So in that case, we are embedding the video to this new content. And once it's done, you can do that on many different frames within your pages. You can assemble multiple documents together and publish it as one single document, digital document for mobile apps and websites. On top of the manual creation process, we also provide automation workflows. And we can help you to transform massive amounts or volumes of PDF files into our digital output format, ready for mobile apps, but also our web reader format, ready for websites. We can also ingest, if you have it, smart content, so-called XML content, and then apply HTML5 templates on top of it to publish it to native apps as well as websites, but now in responsive views. Let me show you how it works. So we can also integrate with your legacy tools and your own environment, like box synchronization folder. In that case, I just want to publish a PDF, the PDF document you have seen, drag and drop it to my box synchronization folder, as easy as a simple drag and drop. wait for the synchronization to complete with a tick box, which became blue. Then it will get processed automatically behind the scene. Again, this is a monitoring page. You don't need to go there to see what's happening, just to show you that the content is being transformed, because we add the famous guided reading option and feature to that content, but also some nice navigation tools. You could decide also to enrich it before you publish, but in that case, we wanted it to be automatically published. And you can see the new content which appears now within the app. We can consume and read it in our mobile app, as well as, if we wanted, we could consume it in our web reader on our website. And once your content and app have been created, you can manage them with Cloud Connect, the second part of our tool. With Cloud Connect, you can manage the settings of your apps, the user access rights, you can manage the push notifications, you can create vouchers to download exclusive content. We can see the app we have been using so far on the left side in our iPhone, and we are selecting in Cloud Connect on the right side the widget of this app, so that we get access to all the settings, like notifications, like we can see there, but also QR code if you want to install easily on test devices, publishing license which are associated with it, as well as many other features like the storefront notifications we have seen before. So that was a quick overview of the settings and all the rights and users access you can manage with Cloud Connect. But one of the most important features for mobile apps is the ability to measure the user's behavior and the content consumption. Rakuten Aquafadas apps come with reporting capabilities for the major analytics solutions on the market, like Google Analytics, Localytics, and Matomo, previously known as Piwik, and soon the Rakuten Analytics. But with our tools, you can also create training, e-learning content, because we also provide solutions to build test quizzes and games, like in this example. Orion Santé is a professional training organization for health professionals. They transform their standard training courses, printed and PDF versions only so far, into a mobile-first experience and interactive content, thanks to the NextGen app and our tools from Rakuten Aquafadas. This app is now used before, during, and after learning sessions. All our apps can be public or private. You can distribute them through the main worldwide stores like iTunes stores, Google Play Store, Amazon stores, and many others in the world, including in China, and an enterprise app store if you want a private dissemination. Your app is fully secured. You can manage and control the user access, as we said before, and all the content is encrypted. We are also GDPR compliant, so your apps built with our tools can be compliant too. Today, our customers use our solutions to increase sales thanks sales enablement apps, but also onboarding, e-learning apps, communication apps to improve communication, skills of the employees, engagement of the sales staff, and also all the content needed for sales staff. Our mobile app can improve the customer satisfaction too, make communications more efficient and engaging. As part of one of the most innovative companies in the world, Rakuten Group, we have also different partners around the world ready to help you integrate our technology inside your company and help you with your digital and mobile projects. Stay tuned by subscribing to our newsletter. Every month we share our knowledge about mobile applications and digital innovation. You can also follow us on social media. Thank you. Bye-bye.